Let's learn about Task Qualification Enforcement. Our organization is getting our implementation dialed in with scheduled maintenance records creating work orders, maintenance requests coming in, and managing our work very effectively. We've recently been given strict qualification enforcement rules that we need to build into our implementation to ensure that qualified personnel are assigned to our maintenance activities. Luckily, Impulse has a new feature that meets this need head-on. To set this up, we start out by going into Management Tools, Workflow, then Work Orders. The first thing we need to do is check the box next to Enable Task Qualification Enforcement, which can also be referred to as Employee Competencies. Here, I can also select Allow Override when no matches are found. I'll show you where this comes into play shortly. Next, we select Qualification Configuration. From here, I'll create my competencies and levels of qualifications within each. I can even arrange these competencies from low to high based on their level of qualification. Our scenario here will be around plumbing. Once we set this up, it supports all of the other components that need to be configured. The first component I'll configure is the maintenance task records. You'll see here that with the Task Qualification Enforcement enabled, I can build qualifications into each of my maintenance tasks. Because I have Journeyman selected here, all qualifications above Journeyman will be included with those able to complete the task. The next step is adding these qualifications to my employees and vendors. When I go to my Human Resource Records, I have a Qualifications section. Here, I can add the qualifications using the values I configured in Management Tools. I can also add training, certification, and expiration dates to manage ongoing training qualifications for my personnel. In this example, on this employee record for Handy Andy, he has a qualification of plumber with a level of competency as journeyman. All of Handy's competencies with the date he was trained and certified can be captured, stored, and managed on the qualification section of his employee record. Now, I'll go into my work order records to see how my configurations impact the work order process. Notice I have my quarterly sprinkler system service maintenance task linked to this work order with its set qualification requirements. Then, when I link personnel, employee, or vendor, Impulse will check the qualification requirement from the task and show me a list of employees and/or contractors that meet these requirements. Now, remember, I have my system set up to allow override when no matches are found. If it's necessary to do this, I just select the View All to see a list of all of my employee records. For questions on this topic or any other topic, feel free to email us at support@impulsesoftware.com or give us a call at 800-944-1796.